Hi everyone, this is Ola from Career Angels, and I'm here today to talk to you about job ads on LinkedIn. We have a weekly selection of vacancy notices which are handpicked by our research teams to make sure that they are relevant and interesting for experienced managers and executives. So we look for jobs which are published in English, which are actually directed at people with at least 10 years of experience in their field, including people management very often. There are also job ads where it's either implied or it's very clear, it's actually stated clearly that international candidates are very welcome. Often there are also jobs with interesting locations. So this week, I will not present this one today on video, but if you look at this week's selection, there's, for example, a job which has dual locations. So it's either Belgium or the UK, depends where you would like to work from. So this is another example of something that you can find in our Hidden Job Market for Experienced Managers in Europe LinkedIn group and the weekly selection of jobs. Let's have a look. The first two job ads I wanted to show you today are actually marketing positions, but they're at different companies in different locations, and they actually differ in some very interesting ways. So let's have a look. Bain Company, a global consultancy with 59 offices in 37 countries, actually has an office in Warsaw, which is where I am recording from. And for the Warsaw office, they're looking for Director Global Industry Marketing for the EMEA region, so someone who would oversee the EMEA region. So management consulting firm. And if you look at the list of responsibilities, obviously you will be leading a team, deploying strategy, collaborating with centers of excellence, and dealing with issues such as editorial branding, CRM and email, PR, digital campaigns, events. So there's quite a comprehensive range of responsibilities. You can even just scroll very slowly and see just how comprehensive the list of responsibilities is. You can also see that I have highlighted one thing here, and one of the key components of the job here is to increase the use of digital and data-driven approaches. So this is, you're riding the wave of digital transformation along with a lot of other professionals these days, adapting to new tools and adopting new tools to improve the marketing function. In terms of experience, so pretty much the usual, so a degree, a relevant degree, MBA would be preferred, between 10 to 15 years of B2B marketing experience with a proven track record in digital marketing, which makes sense, which is in line with the job responsibilities, at least 7 years of people management, particularly in international environments. If you click apply here, you're taken to Bain Company's recruiting portal, which looks innocent enough. I was really searching for signs of ATS systems to show you in the URL, but instead of the URL, I actually came across a company logo at the bottom of this page. I clicked on it out of curiosity, and I discovered that this is a provider of an applicant tracking system. So your CV, if you're applying for this position, would have to be optimized for artificial intelligence. So you have to make sure that it matches the job description, and it is formatted in a way that's friendly for AI. With the second position, as I mentioned, we're also dealing with marketing. So marketing function. The company here is Delivery Hero. So #1 global leader in online food delivery, as you can see in the introduction. They're looking for a senior marketing director based in Berlin. This job was posted 4 days ago, and it's already had over 200 applicants, so it might be a good moment to get in if you're a marketing professional and you have the relevant skills. So again, a degree, a master's degree in marketing or business, at least 10 years of experience in marketing, and also one of the points here includes broad knowledge of digital marketing. So similarly to the previous one as well. If you're interested in why it makes sense to work for Delivery Hero, they actually list a lot of perks, and they range from cultural and sports events to things like getting your hair cut in the office, massages, free yoga classes, or something that particularly appealed to me, taking a break in a nap room. If you're a parent, another thing that's offered is childcare placements, free German classes, a lot more. So there's a lot you have a personal budget for learning as well. Here with Delivery Hero, I wanted to show you maybe not the job ad itself, but here just under the picture, my window, the window that I'm speaking from, you will see that this company has been voted one of the best places to work for 2020, Employees' Choice, and certified as a great place to work. Probably not only because of the nice perks, but possibly because of the culture and the atmosphere. So if this is one of your criteria for a dream job, the atmosphere, and high HR standards, then it might be one of the companies for you. The final position is also based in Berlin, and the company here is Audible, which is a part of Amazon. If you if you listen to podcasts or audiobooks, then you are probably familiar with Audible. They're looking for a director of accounting for EU, and of course someone with a bachelor's or master's in accounting or a related field, professional exam like a CPA, at least 10 years of experience in accounting or auditing, but also someone who's tech savvy and people focused. English and German are the requirements here. As usual with Amazon, you would apply through the Amazon Jobs portal, which we have explored in previous videos, so I do invite you to have a look at, well, even last week's video. But one thing I wanted to show you maybe that's different this week is if you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you will see a menu of options where you can explore the HR processes and the company culture. One of the pages here that you can see is our leadership principles, so the way you would lead and manage people at Amazon. So these are the principles or guidelines for Amazon leaders, things that make, one of the things that makes Amazon peculiar, and they like people who invent and simplify, take ownership, learn and be curious, develop others, insist on higher standards, etc. So it's worth reading this. This is something that actually helped one of my clients a few weeks ago when he was preparing for a job interview at Amazon. That's it for the ads. If you enjoyed these 3 job ads, then I hope you will enjoy the fuller list. For those of you who are new to the group, the Hidden Job Market for Experienced Managers in Europe group, the full list is published weekly, Monday afternoons, and it contains a link to our blog with more details. If you know someone who wants to join the group and actually get notifications about the new posts, they are welcome to find us and send us a request to join. The blog post with the fuller list and with the details of all the gems that we find every week is actually looks like this, and it contains it's divided by function. It contains the links and the locations and the deadlines, so quite a lot of easily scrollable and easily searchable detail. 3 more things I wanted to show you today before I go. If you feel that it's not yet time for job ads because you would like to discuss your overall career direction with someone, your perhaps next steps and longer term goals, then do request a free career consultation with us. We are very happy to meet new people and help them out in strategizing. If your strategy is watertight and you're very happy with it, but you would like someone to take a look at your CV, your human version, so the traditional version of your CV, then by all means contact us and request a free CV report. And what we also offer is a step-by-step guide on preparing an ATS-compliant CV. So if you do apply through an ATS platform, do make sure that your CV is actually AI friendly, so it's going to successfully go through through a screening by artificial intelligence. And that is it for this week. I hope to see you next week. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next week. Have a really good rest of the day. Bye bye.